Hi, this is Helga, the kitchen witch.
And I'm her daughter, Charlotte.
And you're showing me today what you're gonna make with cream cheese and chicken?
Buffalo chicken dip.
Okay.
Now, there's a lot of buffalo chicken dips out there. This is a little bit on the skinnier version so that you can indulge and not worry about the waistline. The kids are coming over and having a lot of friends over, and they may not worried about their waistline, but some of the kids are. So I tell them all it's
all
friendly. It's friendly. So we're gonna take some softened cream cheese, and I use the light version.
8 ounce? Do you use all 8 ounce?
You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna do one block. If you want for a bigger group of people, you would use 2, and I can't get it open. So
it's supposed to be like a arrow to show you.
It's to open here, and it's not giving me. It's not doing it for me.
Okay, take the knife.
So we're gonna cut it.
There you go.
There, and I'm going to make it into cubes so that it'll melt up a little bit easier in the microwave.
There's so much you can do with cream cheese, isn't there?
There is.
Very good.
So I'm just going to make it into small cubes, and it'll melt up easier. And like I said, if you wanted a bigger batch, just use 2 blocks of cream cheese. Okay, so we put it in the microwave for like 50 seconds just to get it nice and soft. And now we're going to add
ranch dressing?
Ranch dressing.
Very good.
Light. Make sure you get the light. You can use fat-free if you want, but
what about the full power one?
You want it to be a little healthier. And this you can fit to your taste buds. Okay, start with like a cup. You might want to add more ranch. You might want to add more hot sauce. All depends on how you like it.
Okay.
My daughter likes it hot.
Wow, Maddie, she eats hot.
Yes. And this can all be done on the stovetop as well. You can, you know what? Let's take this little thing off the top so we can pour it easier.
There you go. That much?
This much.
Oh my gosh, that's gonna be hot.
It's a cup of each. But like I said, you can make it how you want it, how you want to have it, if you want to have it hot or not.
Really good.
Now, I'm going to kind of get this a little bit mixed together. And I cooked earlier chicken breast.
Yeah, you don't like the canned chicken, but they can.
You can use the canned chicken. You can grill your chicken for a different flavor and put grilled chicken in it. You can, this I just cooked in some chicken broth. Poached it in some chicken broth, and then shred it up real nice, and mix that all in there.
Boy, that is it?
That's it.
What about this one?
We're gonna put cheese in next, but I kind of like try to mix a little bit at a time to get it all incorporated, and then I'm gonna add some cheese into there and then mix it some more.
Okay.
That way you get everything all mixed up. And then it's a cup of shredded cheese. And we'll eyeball it.
Yes.
Because that's Mom's favorite term.
Yes.
Whoops. And now I'm making a mess. And
that's a little more than a cup, but that's fine.
I like it cheesy.
Yeah.
So we're gonna mix that all up, and then it's best if served in a little small crock pot.
You have it gone right here?
Because you want it to stay nice and soft and melty schmelty.
And it's nice when it's warm. It tastes good.
It's much better warm. I mean, you can eat it when it cools down, but it's better when it's warm. Okay. Now,
can I have a sip?
you can have a sip, but I think if you took a chip, it would be a little better.
Okay, I want to taste it.
Yeah, see, I think it might need a little more hot sauce. I can even tell by the smell.
It needs a little more, even for me.
Even for you, yeah. So that's where you just adjust it to your liking. If you want a little bit hotter, just add a little more. It seems to me that you need more hot sauce to the ranch dressing.
Well, you know what? This is a lot of cheese. And it absorbs it,
Plus
8 ounces.
The other cheese.
Yeah.
And then what we're going to do is pour it into...
Nice cake, though. Oh, yeah. You want to put it in here?
Yeah. Careful, that gets hot. So then we're just gonna, it's just best to serve it in a crock pot. A little snack.
Is a cute little one.
It's a little snack crock pot. You could probably even do it in one of those like fondue pots.
Yeah.
But you know what, it's easy to throw together.
that was fast.
Everybody likes it. You know,
Yes.
it's not as sloppy as buffalo wings. So,
I'll put it
and then we'll put it in there and let it get all melty schmelty. And then
here, and you're ready to
we're
party.
ready to have a nice time.
And now we're gonna go taste it, are we?
Yes, it's been in the crock pot for about an hour, and it's all nice and gooey and melty.
And guess what? I snuck a couple of beers from your dad. That's his favorite beer.
And of course,
I'm
with
not-
Buffalo did. Now, not for the kids. The kids, they can have some root beer, but
Yeah.
we're going to have some good beer. All right.
Oh my God, look at this.
It's pretty.
Really pretty.
All right. Well,
Okay,
shall we
shall we?
take a little dipper and scoop up some of that chicken?
Now it's hot.
Mm-hmm.
Very good.
Now it's perfect flavor.
And now we're gonna do ein Prosit. Sicke Sacke.
Hoi, hoi, hoi.
Prost.
Until next time.
This is the Kitchen Witch saying Auf Wiedersehen.
Tschüss.